Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 18 from the exercise 10.2 of the chapter straight lines, and this is the first PU syllabus. You go to playlist and look for straight lines. In that folder you will be able to find all the sums related to this chapter, and also you can find the derivations related to this chapter. Now let us check question number 18. P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. So there is a line segment between x and y axis, and P of A comma B is the midpoint of that line segment. And we have to show that the equation of the line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 2. So let us consider the line segment to be AB, whose midpoint is P of A comma B. Now we are considering the rectangular coordinate system, and we have considered a line segment, and I'm calling this line segment as AB, and the point on y-axis as A and the point on x-axis as B. Now P of A comma B is the midpoint of this line segment AB. Now they have given the coordinates of point P, but we do not know the coordinates of this A and B. So what I am doing is, from the origin to this point, I'll take the distance as x. And this is a point on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Generally by convention, what is this length? It is x-intercept, right? Generally we take the x-intercept to be A, but in this case the midpoint has the coordinates A comma B. So I am not considering this as A. That leads to confusion. So I am retaining this as x only. Some x, distance is some x, okay? Now coordinates of point A will be, this is a point on y-axis, so x coordinate is 0, and this height I am considering as y. You can consider the height as m and n, like that, any other intercept apart from A comma B, because that leads to confusion, okay? So now here I am considering the height to be y. So our coordinates of A and B will be 0 comma y and x comma 0. Now we have to find the equation of this line segment. To find the equation of the line, we should know the slope of the line. We should know at least one point on the line. But to find the slope of the line, we need to know at least 2 points on the line. But we know only one point on the line, which is the midpoint of this line segment. So when they have given midpoint, can we use midpoint formula for this and try to find out something, how we can find the another point on this line? Yes, we shall try that. If the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2, the midpoint formula would be x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So I am applying that to this point P of AB. Which are the 2 points of which P is the midpoint? It is A and B. So we are applying midpoint formula to these 2 points A and B, which will be coordinates of point P, that is A comma B, will be x1 plus x2, that is 0 plus x by 2, then y1 plus y2 by 2, which will be y plus 0 by 2, correct? Now A comma B will be x by 2, y by 2. Now we know that when any two ordered pairs are equal, their first elements and their corresponding second elements will be equal. So we are equating the terms, that is A is equal to x by 2 and B is equal to y by 2. Now if you can just check, when we cross multiply, we can express x in terms of A and y in terms of B, right? Yes. So x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 2b. So what do you understand from this? When we say x is equal to 2a, in this case, x intercept, that is this distance from the origin to this point, is 2a. X intercept is 2a and y intercept, that is this distance from origin to this point where the line cuts the y-axis, this y-intercept is 2b. So that is what we can understand from this. Now we have got 2 points on the line, that is in terms of A and B. So we shall write the coordinates of point A and B. Coordinates of point A will be 0 comma 2b and coordinates of point B will be 2a comma 0. Now to find the equation of the line, we now know 3 points on the line. We can easily find the slope, we can easily find the equation of the line, correct? Yes. So when we know any 2 points on the line, we know the formula to find the slope of the line. I am considering A and B as the 2 points to find the slope. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 0 minus 2b divided by 2a minus 0. So on simplification, we get the slope of the line to be minus b by a. Is this clear? So now we have found the slope of the line. We know 2 points on the line. Choose any one of the points and find the equation of the line easily. We will use the point slope form of a line. That is when we know a point on the line and slope of the line, we can easily find the equation of the line using this form. So slope is minus b by a and point x naught y naught is 0, 2b. You can consider this point also. Okay, that also gives us the same answer. So y minus y naught is equal to y minus 2b equal to slope is minus b by a, slope into x minus x naught, x minus 0. So y minus 2b is equal to minus b by a into x. That will be, when you cross multiply, it is ay minus 2ab is equal to minus bx. Now I'll move this negative bx to the LHS and this minus 2ab to the RHS. That gives us this equation, bx plus ay is equal to 2ab. Now if you look at the question, in the question they had clearly asked us to find the equation of the line in the intercept form. So what shall we do? We'll divide the whole equation by AB. Then it is going to be bx by AB plus ay by AB is equal to 2ab by AB. Now in the first term b gets cancelled, in the second term a gets cancelled and AB gets cancelled in the RHS term. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. This is the equation of the required line segment that we had to find. If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.